So the first bullet point on that last slide was about planning your questions. So the first thing is you need to decide what questions you'll be asking. And you can do this based on a variety of things. So first of all, uncovering misconceptions. You want to think about student misconceptions and how you can help students work through that. So there's questions like, are there other factors you need to consider? Or does that always work? And it can help students think about whether they're focused on one aspect of the problem that might not be showing them the big picture, or whether they're really grasping the whole concept. You can ask questions about problem solving or approaching a task. So if a student is struggling about where to start, you can ask them questions like this. What do you need to know to start this task? How can you break this task into chunks? Could you start by blank? What would you do next? So these are all ways to help your student kind of puzzle through the question on their own. So in some of our previous PDs, we've talked a little bit about dependent learners or learners who are struggling to engage with the work. And these kinds of questions can be a way to get students engaged and help them learn how to begin their own work. Also, making connections to other learning is really important. So asking questions like, is there a pattern or common thread? Or can you write this problem another way? Or can you write another problem related to this one? That can help students see how this work might link to previous learning they've done. And finally, flexibility. So helping students know that there are many ways to approach problems. So is there another way to say or to draw or to explain that? Or can you start with the parts of the problem you do understand? Again, that can help a student who's struggling to engage find a way into the problem. Or have you tried making a guess? That can be another way to help students start by making a guess about what the answer might be and then working backwards from there to kind of puzzle through what the correct answer may be.